my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Angela, and today's video is going to be a review and actually my very first giveaway video, so I am very excited. And before we get into this video though, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I do post new videos every single week and I don't want you guys to miss out. So the company that I'm collaborating with for this giveaway is a company called Virginic, and if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I have worked with them in the past. I actually did a review of some of their skincare products a couple of months ago and I absolutely loved them, and I have been using them every day since I filmed that video. And that's one of the reasons I wanted to collaborate with them again, because these products are affordable, guys. They're not gonna break your bank and they actually work. And they're also cruelty-free. They have vegan products. They're all natural products. They don't put a bunch of toxic crap in there like a lot of companies unfortunately do. And it's just been a really, really great experience for me so far, and I wanna share that with you guys and be able to give you guys some free products to try out. With that being said, if you don't win the giveaway or you don't wanna wait for the giveaway, you can go onto their website and use my discount code that they provided to get $3 off their products. And I do not get any commission from this. It's just something they gave me to give you so that you can get the best deal possible. So with that being said, I'm going to be testing out two different products today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly review them, and then I will list the guideline rules at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned for that if you are interested in entering this giveaway. And there are actually going to be two giveaway winners for this video. So basically, whoever wins, the two people who win, will be winning every product that I review in this video. So the first product that we're going to be reviewing today is going to be the translucent Botanical face powder. And on the website, it goes for $19.90. But it says on the website that this face powder is pure, vegan friendly, and cruelty free. And then, like I said, if you go down, it lists all the ingredients, how to apply. And also too, what I really like about their website is that it lists what the benefits of each ingredient is that is in each product. So that's really, really cool. So let's go ahead and try this on. So this is what the packaging looks like. Sorry if it's a little bright, guys. I am having a little bit of trouble with my camera today, so I do apologize if things are a little bit blurry. So this is the container that the powder comes in, and I really, really like the packaging of this company. It just looks like so clean and healthy, and I don't know, there's just something I really, really like about it. It looks really good quality and it's just very inviting. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this, and we're going to see how we like it. It is a translucent powder. It does come with a little like sponge you can apply it with, but I apply all my powder with my normal brush. And I did already go ahead and apply my foundation for the purpose of this video. So in using this powder, you're going to go ahead and apply your foundation and your concealer as evenly as possible before you apply the powder, just like you would any other face powder. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour a little bit of powder in here, like I would any other face powder. And then the way I apply my powder is I kind of just, I start like this, and then just kind of evenly go around my entire face. So I do have really dry skin, so I like that this feels really soft and silky, and like it's not going to dry out my skin, because even some of my favorite powders that I do like by other brands, they work really well, really good coverage and stay on all day, but they can sometimes dry out my skin. And this one just doesn't feel like it's going to do that. So far I like it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go hop off camera for a second, and I'm gonna go apply just like some blush so I have some color in my face so I can see how I like it with like a full face of like natural makeup, and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so I kept it very simple and natural. I didn't add any mascara. All I did was apply some blush and some highlighter to my face, and I really like the way the look came out. I know that this is my first time using the product, so I'll have to see how it wears over time, but on first impressions, I really, really do like it. Like I said, it feels really silky smooth on my face. I feel like it looks really, really nice, and I feel like you could probably even use this for full coverage makeup too. I did a very light amount of foundation for this video because I wanted to just do a natural look and see how I liked it. So I do really like this product so far. The next product that I'm going to be reviewing is called the Japanese Peppermint Essential Oil. And as you guys know, peppermint oil or any type of essential oil can be actually really expensive. And I was very surprised that it is listed for $14.97 on their website, considering it is actually a pretty big bottle, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. So peppermint oil is good for a lot of things. So I'm really excited about this product because it does have a lot of uses that you can use it for, whether you're going to, you know, just put it on your wrist and sniff it for maybe like your sinuses. But peppermint is actually really good for if you have like headaches. And I actually think it's very calming too, like if you're stressed out. But if you go to the website and you look at the more ways to use section, it talks about tons of different ways you can use it. I'm not going to read them all, but there are tons of ways that you can read about on the website if you want to check that out. One of my favorite things that I read about on the website was that you can actually add like 2 to 3 drops to your shampoo or conditioner and kind of give yourself a little bit of a scalp massage, and it helps with kind of like energizing and kind of like soothing the scalp. And I work at a spa, as a lot of you guys know, and we actually offer a peppermint scalp massage as an add-on to some of our services, and everybody who gets them says it's absolutely amazing. And I haven't had the chance to try it yet, so I'm actually really excited to use this peppermint oil to do something like that. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Like I said, for under $15, this is a really big bottle. It's 100 milliliters, and it says the directions on the back. It says you can mix 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil with another type of oil like coconut or java java oil and massage it into your chest to relieve like congestion. Or you can also use it as aromatherapy if you have like a diffuser, which is really cool. And like I said, I just listed a bunch of other uses that you can use it for on the website, and I feel like a bottle this big would last you a really long time. It does say on the back, it has I opened it on, and then you're supposed to put the date that you opened it on, so it's good until, because it says this one says use within 24 months of opening. So depending on the product that you're getting from this company, each one has a different expiration date, because the ingredients are so pure and so natural and non-toxic that they're not going to be good just sitting on your shelf for like 5 or 6 years. So, but that's a good thing, because we don't want to be putting toxic products on our skin or breathing them in. So that's something I really do like about this company. There's not really much I can do to test out a peppermint oil or an essential oil on camera, other than really just showing you guys the packaging, which I think is really, really cool. I mean, it smells really strong like peppermint, which I think is great. It comes with a cool little dropper tool, so you can go ahead and use it on your wrists or on your temples, or use it in a diffuser. So yeah, I really like the way it smells. It smells so good, and I feel like something like this, again, is going to last you a really long time because it's a great size. All right, guys, so if you want to enter this giveaway, it's actually very simple. You just need to do 2 things. The first thing you need to do is just go follow myself and Virginic on Instagram. I will put our handles right there, and also list them in the description below. And then the second thing you'll need to do is just find the post that I did about this giveaway on my Instagram and just like it and tag a friend in the comment section below, and then you'll be done. So we will be picking the winners very soon, and we will most likely be reaching out to you via Instagram. This is my first giveaway, so I'm not sure, but I'm thinking we're probably just gonna send you a DM on Instagram. So over the next couple of weeks, just make sure that you're checking that if you did enter, so that if you do win, you are aware, so that we can get your information and send you the products. And remember, we will be choosing 2 winners for this giveaway. So each winner will be getting the face powder and the peppermint oil. And remember, if you don't win, I mean, these products are still really, really affordable, but you can also go onto their website and you can use my discount code to get $3 off your purchase. So that is also still really helpful. So if you don't win this giveaway and you really, really want to try some of these products, you can use my code to get a discount. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this review and that you enter the giveaway so that you can possibly win some awesome stuff. And with that being said, as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!